Inbuilt calculator in Busy. In this video, we will see how to use the calculator in Busy and how it makes our calculations easier. In today's digital world, almost everyone has a calculator in their mobile phones. But for added convenience and transparency, Busy software provides a calculator feature. Let's begin. To open the calculator in Busy, you can use the F10 shortcut key. If it does not open with just the F10 key on your system, you can also open it by pressing function plus F10. Additionally, there is a tab available for the calculator in the right side shortcut panel. This makes it easy to perform any calculation you need. But what makes Busy Calculator smart? Let's take an example. Suppose you need to add various payments and have multiple expenses that you want to post in a single account. Normally, for small expenses that don't want separate accounts. So you would put all the amounts in the miscellaneous expense account. After debiting the miscellaneous expense account and entering the amount column. Then after open the calculator using the F10 key. Here adding all the expenses values and get the total of all the expenses amount. Now, here is the smart part. Instead of trying to remember the total amount in your mind, you can simply enter it into the calculator and the same amount will automatically appear in the amount column. So, Busy Calculator not only helps with calculation but also works smartly alongside your accounting tasks. For more such videos, please subscribe to our YouTube channel.